Mark the central position of the latch onto the edge of the door. Adjust a marking gauge to the middle of the door thickness and mark a short line over the height position to form a cross. Using a flat drill bit slightly bigger than the mortise latch, mark the depth of the mortise required in the edge of the door with a piece of masking tape. Bore a hole in the edge of the door equal to the depth indicated with the masking tape. Place the mortise latch square into the hole before marking a sharp pencil line around the face plate. Use a sharp chisel to recess the area marked on the edge of the door equal to the depth of the faceplate on the mortise latch. Place the mortise latch on the face of the door to determine the position of the spindle hole required for the door handles. The hole needed in the face of the door must be slightly bigger than the spindle. This will prevent it from fouling the operation of the door handles. Drilling the hole from both sides of the door will prevent breakout as the drill bit exits the timber. Bore several pilot holes through the mortise latch before securing it with the screws provided. Place the spindle through the mortise latch and twist several times to make sure it operates freely. Place the lever handles over the spindle and bore several fixing holes before securing with the fixings provided. It's good practice to align the slotted screws vertically in the door handles to provide a uniformed finish. Transfer the height position of the latch onto the door lining. Measure the distance between the face of the door and the inside edge of the latch and transfer this dimension onto the face of the door lining. Turn the striking plate over and align the opening with the marking out on the door lining. Use a sharp pencil to draw a line around the striking plate. Create a shallow mortise within the area indicated on the door lining to accept the mortise latch. Use the sharp chisel to recess the area indicated equal to the thickness of the striking plate. Bore several fixing holes before securing the striking plate and checking that the latch engages correctly.